Next topic is inductance of three-phase lines with equilateral and symmetrical spacing. Here considering three-phase line consisting of three conductors A, B and C, three conductors. These three conductors are equally spaced, equal distance between these two conductors, these two lines, capital D, D and D, all three with a distance, same distance D and having a radius smaller. Okay. The flux linkage of a conductor A. See here, find the flux linkage of the conductor A. Okay, the conductor A flux itself only, that is internal flux itself by distance means radius R I am taking here. Due to the conductor B, there is a flux linkage on the conductor A, and due to the C conductor, there is a flux linkage on the conductor A. Therefore, total flux linkage on a conductor A is internal flux linkage plus flux linkage due to B conductor plus flux linkage due to C conductor. So total flux linkage of the conductor A is equal to, common is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, take it common here. Current for the conductor A, first you have to take the conductor A, current for the conductor A is IA, ln of 1 divided by R dash, that is radius of the conductor is R. So already I said that is distance of itself, okay, that is radius, plus current due to the conductor B, flux on the A is, therefore see, due to the conductor B there is a flux on a conductor A, therefore the current flowing through the conductor B is IB. Due to that current there is a flux linkage on a conductor A, therefore current, here we are taking IB, ln of distance between these two conductors is 1 by D, okay, plus IC, that is C conductor carries the current IC, so it produces a flux around it, that due to that flux there is a flux linkage on the conductor A due to C conductor that carries the current IC, therefore IC ln distance between them is capital D, okay. Then the currents are assumed to be balanced in all the three conductors IA, IB, IC, that is IA plus IB plus IC is equal to 0, therefore IA is equal to minus of IB plus IC. From that equation, previous equations here, ln of 1 by D, take it common here, ln of 1 by D, ln of 1 by D, IB plus IC, here from this equation IB plus IC is equal to minus IA, substitute here, okay. Next, ln of 1 divided by R dash, here ln of 1 by D, IA take it common here, that is ln of 1 by R dash divided by 1 by D, therefore 1 by D comes in the inverted side, D divided by R dash. So we got the equation, flux at the conductor A is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 current of the conductor A, IA, ln of D divided by R dash. Okay, therefore the inductance of the conductor A is flux divided by current. This is the, for the conductor A I am considering that, therefore the current is IA for the conductor A. So we got the inductance is LA is equal to, LA is equal to ln of D divided by R dash. Similarly, same inductance for the B conductor and for the C conductor, because all three conductors are equally spaced, all are symmetrical, therefore we got LA is equal to LB is equal to LC. Next topic is inductance of transmission line with unsymmetrical spacing. Okay, so here I am considering a three conductors A, B, C of a three-phase line of radius R, but these three conductors are unsymmetrically spaced here. A conductor and B conductor distance is DAB, B to C is DBC, C to A is DCA. Three conductors placed with a different distance. These three are placed in a unsymmetrically spaced conductors, okay. See, flux linkage at the conductor A is equal to what? Flux of conductor itself due to B conductor, flux on the conductor A, then due to C conductor there is a flux on the A, okay. it carries the current IA, B conductor carries the current IB, here is current is IC. So IB gives the flux on the current conductor A, IC at the C conductor gives the flux on the conductor A. Therefore, consider the conductor A flux linkage is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, take it common. At the conductor A, I am considering that current of the conductor A is IA, ln of radius of this is R itself only R dash plus IB due to the current IB at the conductor B, there is a flux linkage on the conductor A. Therefore, IB into ln of distance between them is 1 divided by DAB plus C conductor carries the current IC. So, on the conductor A, flux linkage due to conductor C is equal to C, that is IC ln 1 divided by DCA. Okay. Therefore, this is the flux at the conductor A. Next, flux inductance of the conductor A, that is flux by conductor A means IA current. Okay. So IA take it inside. Get cancel here IB by IA, IC by IA. Okay. So see here, this IB by IA and IC by IA, we have to substitute here. These three conductors are unsymmetrical spaced, so we have to assume the three currents should be balanced with the current A, because our reference we have taken here IA. Reference phasor is IA. See, from this figure, if the reference is IA of the conductor A, it makes an 120 degree and one makes an 120 degree and one more makes an 240 degree with respect to the conductor A. Therefore, IB is equal to IB into 240 degree. That is, then I take IB divided by IA, that is 240 degree cos 240 plus J 2 sin 240 is minus 1 by 2 minus J root 3 by 2. Similarly, IC is equal to IC into 120 degree. Take IC divided by IA, that is 120 degree cos of 120 plus J sin 120 degree, that is minus 1 by 2 plus J root 3 by 2. Substitute this IB by IA and IC by IA in the previous equation. Substitute here these two equations. Okay. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 multiply here minus J root 3 by 2 multiply here also. Here minus 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2, take it one side. J root 3 by 2, take it one side. Okay. See, raised divide 1 by 2, 1 by 2, take it to the power of this term, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here also root 3 by 2 is there, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power of this equation. Then raised to the ln of 1 divided by DAB, here minus is there. So, if it comes in the numerator side, take it minus inside. Minus 1 divided by ln of 1 divided by DAB means that is plus ln DAB. So minus here plus here. So power of this root raised to 1 by 2 means that is root of ln of DAB. Here plus means ln of DAB into DCA. Raised to 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2, that is root DAB into root DCA. Next plus J root 3 here, ln of 1 divided by DCA minus ln of 1 divided by DAB, raised to 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2, take it root of DCA and root of DAB. Here ln of, take it multiplication, plus and minus, ln of DAB divided by DCA. Okay. So this is the what equation inductance of the flux of the conductor A. Similarly go for the conductor B here, and similarly go for the conductor C. Okay. So after the substitution of all these, after the getting the all three, we got the equation LA, LB and LC, inductance of all three conductors here. See here, all three conductors having the different equations, different distances. So these are not same. These three values are different. Flux linkage and corresponding inductance also not same. Therefore, this leads to unbalance in the current through the circuit. Voltage drop is different in all the phases. Receiving end voltage is also not same. Right?